Hello everyone, this is Kartika and you are on my YouTube channel. Today we are going to Meesho, Ajio, Amazon haul. So I just bought a few things from Amazon, Meesho and Ajio. So I'm gonna show all the things to you and decide if you wanna buy that or not. So I just have this huge box here which I just filled with all the clothings and the things that I bought from Ajio and Meesho and Amazon. So I'll just pick one things at a time and I will show you all the things that I got. So let's just start the video. First we will just start with the smallest thing that I just bought from Meesho, which is this cute earrings, butterfly earrings, which is in trend right now. So I just saw these earrings in every influencer's haul or they are just wearing this. So I just thought of buying this one. You can see that this is the earring. This is so cute. Like look at these butterflies. It's so cute. Also this is in lavender color which is really in right now. So yeah. So the second thing that I got from Meesho was this Friends crop top. I just love the Friends series. If you haven't watched Friends series, you should. You must actually. It's a really good show about friends. It's a crop top, and yeah, this as you can see, there is Friends written over here, and from the back it is like plain T-shirt, and the material is really soft. And it's not see-through also, so it's a good thing. As you can see, you can't see my hand. It's in small size. Small fits me well, so yeah, I just got it in small size. So the third thing that I bought from Meesho is this lavender crop top. This is so cute. The color is good and the material is also soft. It's not see-through. This is a ribbed material. So as you can see, it's really stretchable. I just got a medium size in this. I should have bought the small size. It's a little big on me. You can see there is button over here and it's an oval shaped neck, which is really good. And the color, I love the color. I just love the color of it. Really good. So I can just wear this t-shirt with the lavender earrings that I bought. So it's just match somehow. Uh, I didn't plan to, buy the matching things, but it eventually matched. So yeah, I'm gonna wear this with the lavender earrings. It will look really cute. So the fourth item that I bought from Meesho was this another clothing item, which is a jumpsuit set. This is the crop top which has this tying thing over here and it has a V-neck and you also get a button over here to just so that you don't get the cleavage thingy over here. So yeah, which is a nice thing. The only weird thing about this top is that it doesn't fit correctly because it's a little big on me. I just bought the medium size. According to the size chart, it was medium for me, so I just bought that, but it is really a little big on me. So I have to just adjust it from sides so that it can be really good. Overall, this top is really good, and the color and the print on it is really nice. You also get a pant with it, which is a palazzo kind of a pant. This is the pant. It's a full length pant, so yeah, the pant fits me really good. It is not that big on me, but the top is a little big on me. I just need to adjust the top, that's all. So yeah, that was it for I think the Meesho, and now we just open the another item which is from Ajio. So the next item is my favorite. I think the favorite of all the things that I bought from the Ajio, Meesho, and Amazon. This dress I just saw on YouTube. I was scrolling through the shorts section and I just saw a girl wearing this dress. It was so good. So this is from Ajio. I'm sure you're gonna love it too. This is the dress. It has abstract print all over it. Look at this dress. This looks so pretty. The print is just my favorite. You have slits over the sides, like this side and also this side. Same, and it's a full length dress, and the straps are like, it's not an adjustable strap, which is a really weird thing, but it fits really good. If you go according to size chart, it is really nice. As you can see, the print is really good, and the abstract print is like, it's like a bubble gum kind of a thingy. Sorry, the color is like bubble gum color, the pink and different pastel colors. So pretty. I'll just show the try on so that you can see what it looks like. Also, this looks really good when worn on. The color is also really amazing. If you want to buy this, you can check it out in my description box. I'm going to link all the products that I bought and also the sizes if you want to check. It is small in size. I'm also going to mention my size in the description box if you want to check it out. The next item is shoes. So I just love sneakers, and sneakers in particular I just love the chunky ones. I don't like the flat ones. So I was looking for these sneakers on Ajio. It was like really good, but the delivery time was really too long to deliver, so I just found the same sneakers on Amazon. So I just ordered it from there and it was delivered in 2 to 3 days, which was really great for me. So I had to shoot this video also. So I got the same sneakers from Amazon. So I'm going to show the sneakers to you. It was really good. So these are the chunky boots that I got from Amazon. Look at these beauties, man. Oh, so cute. I can pair it up with any outfit. So with this bubblegum dress also, abstract print, I can pair this with it or with the jeans. It will look really good. I know that. So I know these boots are going to look really good with every outfit. It's white in color, so I can't wear it in the monsoon season. But yeah, the size of these sneakers are 37 and Euro size. And I just love it. For the mini haul, I hope you guys like it. Comment down below which was your favorite product, and also do like, subscribe to my channel, and I will be bringing more hauls in the future, so please do subscribe to my channel. And for all the product links, I will be putting it in the description box, so do check it out. So we'll see you next time. Bye bye.